Hey budget beginners, welcome to your ultimate guide to mastering your money. Imagine a life where your finances are always in check, where you never have to worry about unexpected expenses or mounting debt. No stress about bills, unexpected expenses, or debt. Sounds ideal, right? Well, it's not just a dream, it's entirely possible with the right approach. Achieving this level of financial control starts with one key practice: budgeting. Budgeting is the foundation of financial health. And no, budgeting isn't just about pinching pennies or depriving yourself of the things you love. It's about taking charge of your financial future, making informed decisions, and ensuring that your money works for you. All right, let's dive straight into the basics. Understanding the fundamentals of budgeting is the first step towards financial freedom. At its core, budgeting is simply tracking how much you earn, how much you spend, and where your money goes. It's about being aware and intentional with your finances. The traditional budgeting method usually involves the following steps. Step 1. Track your income. Step 1. Track your income. Whether it's salary, freelance gigs, or side hustles, know exactly what comes in every month. This is the foundation of your budget. Step 2. Identify expenses. Separate essential expenses like rent, groceries, and bills from non-essentials like dining out or entertainment. This helps you see where your money is going. Step 2. Identify expenses. Be thorough and honest with yourself. Every little expense adds up, and knowing where your money goes is crucial. Step 3. Set financial goals. Are you saving for a vacation? An emergency fund? Clear goals give your budget a purpose and direction. Step 3. Set financial goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, or just building an emergency fund, having goals will give you motivation. Step 4. Allocate funds. Create spending categories and stick to them. This prevents overspending and encourages savings. Allocate your funds wisely. Now, you might be thinking, how do I even start? It's simple. Begin by jotting down all sources of income. It's simple. Begin by jotting down all sources of income. This includes your main job, side hustles, and any other sources of money. Next, list out all your monthly expenses. Be honest with yourself here. Include everything from rent and utilities to coffee runs and subscriptions. Once you have a clear picture, set your financial goals. These goals will guide your budgeting decisions and keep you motivated. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, or just building an emergency fund, having goals will give you motivation. Clear goals give your budget a purpose. Finally, allocate your funds accordingly. Make sure essentials are covered first, then distribute what's left towards savings and non-essentials. Make sure essentials are covered first, then distribute what's left towards savings and non-essentials. This ensures that your priorities are met. And remember, the key to a successful budget is consistency. Regularly check in with your budget to make sure you're on track. Check in with your budget weekly or monthly to make sure you're on track. Adjust as necessary, but always keep your goals in sight. Adjust as necessary, but always keep your goals in sight. Flexibility is important, but so is staying committed to your financial objectives. All right, that's it for now. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. If you found this guide useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us here on Financial Growth TV for more tips on achieving financial success. See you next time.